Alright, what's up guys? It's your boy Day in Visuals here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about this blender bottle. Now guys, I don't know about you, but for me personally, I love to drink shakes. So whenever I'm drinking a shake, especially one that's going to have some protein powder in there, I think a blender bottle is absolutely clutch. It's pretty simple and easy to use. Like I could show you guys live, but yeah, I don't want to have to take out protein powder. But pretty much, you add some water or milk. I prefer to add milk. You put a scoop of your protein of your choice, and you just shake it up. And because it has like, let me show you guys, for those who don't know. Oh wow, there's a little water in here. Yeah, it has this little spring thingy in here, which helps to kind of basically like mash it out. And it's pretty straightforward. All you have to do is just wash it out when you're finished, and it's easy to clean, easy to use, quick grab and go. So yeah, definitely. Let me see what is the measurement. I believe this is 600 milliliters. So it's 600 ml, and this will give you enough to basically have your shakes, preferably your protein shakes. I'm not sure if you're going to use this as a water bottle or as a protein drink bottle, but personally, since it does have the ball inside that helps to, like, you know, mash up the protein powder, I think it's going to be more beneficial for persons that are looking for like protein powder, like quick on the go kind of vibes. But yeah, definitely comes in handy. Good thing to have.